Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ragini. I hope that everyone is doing good. So today I'm going to talk on calf tightness, which is the common cause of foot pain, knee pain, or I can say calf pain. We will also discuss how to stretch this calf muscle effectively to get the best result with minimum effort. A simple stretch can reduce the pain in calf muscle, its tightness, its instability, and it can also reduce the risk of injury or further conditions such as Achilles tendonitis, which is actually the inflammation of Achilles tendon, or plantar fasciitis or cramps with symptoms showing as pain in heel, pain below heel or back of heel, pain in calf muscle, stiffness, etc. Before we move ahead, let us learn little bit about the anatomy of the calf muscle. So here it is. This is the back view of our leg and this is the side view of our leg. Calf muscle consists of two muscles, that is gastrocnemius and soleus. This is gastrocnemius and this is soleus. Gastrocnemius starts from the back of the knee, flows down along with soleus, travels down to form Achilles tendon. Here it is, Achilles tendon, which get attached to the back of the heel. The main function of the calf muscle is lifting our foot while walking, or I can say while running. To get the best result from a stretching, we need to follow certain guidelines, that is hold the stretch for a longer duration, have a minimum repetition of 3 times, maintain a correct position to target the particular muscle effectively, try to bear the pain while stretching for a while, and avoid stretching immediately after any tear, strain, or any type of injury to the muscle. Now, let us learn the different types of stretching. Let's begin. Before performing any stretch, we need to release our tight calf muscle. For this, we need to do soft tissue manipulation. I will do this with a foam roller. I will place a foam roller beneath my leg and I have a calf pain in my left leg. So let's see. We try to shift weights with our both arms on the foam roller and glide along with the foam roller. We will feel the pressure of the foam roller as we are gliding. Perform this activity for about 2 minutes. To have an intense release of this tightness, cross your leg and perform this activity for 2 minutes. If you don't have a foam roller, then you can perform the soft tissue manipulation with a tennis ball. Place a tennis ball beneath your calf muscle, fold your other leg or stabilize your other leg and try to roll on the ball with your both arms. The first stretch is lying calf stretch. We will be sitting in this position, keeping our back straight, knee straight and leg straight. I am having a calf pain in my left leg. I am using a TheraBand to stretch my calf muscle. You can use any type of belt or towel to stretch your calf muscle. I will place my TheraBand on the ball of the foot. Before performing a stretch, I will bring my feet close to me and then gently pull the feet toward myself. You will feel a stretch on the back of the leg. Try to maintain the knee in a straight position and pull this for about 30 seconds. Count for 30 seconds and then release. Do this 3 times. This stretch was for the gastrocnemius muscle. Now the second stretch is for soleus muscle. We will be sitting in the same position, but in this we will slightly bend our knee, keep our back straight and perform the same stretch by bringing our feet closer to us and then pull. This will bring a stretch to the soleus muscle of the calf. The next stretch is while sitting on the chair. Let's see. Raise our leg up. Bring your foot toward yourself. Place the TheraBand on the back of the foot and simply pull toward yourself. Hold this for 30 seconds and then release. The next stretch we are going to do while using the wall. I have a pain in my right leg. We will assume that. We will place both our arms on the wall. Bend our left leg in front. Keep our right foot or right leg straight with heel touching the ground. In this, you have to keep your knees straight and then lean forward. Maintain this for about 30 seconds and then again relax. In this, we can do another stretch while just maintaining the same position. In this, we need to just bend little our knee and then perform same stretch while bending our knee. This stretch is for particularly soleus muscle and the stretch before this was for gastrocnemius. The next stretch we can use the block or you can perform this on a stair while using a support. So I will be standing on the block and keeping the left leg heel hanging. As you see, I'm hanging my heels outside the block and gently try to bring your heel down. As you are seeing, keeping your knees straight. Maintain this for about 30 seconds and then relax. Again, keep your knees straight. Try to bring your heel down as much possible and count for 30 and then relax. In same, you can do variation by simply bending your knee little. In knee bended position, try to bring your heel downward. Same, or I can say again, repeat this. Again up, bend your knee little and then heel pushing down and then relax. This stretch was for the soleus and the stretch previous this was for gastrocnemius. The next stretch is by using the same block. We'll place both our foot in this position and try to lean forward, or I can say push your weight forward. You can place your hand on the wall for a support and then bend forward. You will feel the stretch on both the legs. Count for 30 and then release. The next stretch is place both your arms on the ground. Lift your back up and heels touching the ground and just look forward. You will feel stretch on the back of the leg since you are putting your heel to the ground. Same variation you can do in this stretch by lifting your leg up and placing on the other leg and count for 30 seconds. So this stretch is for hamstring muscle because in calf tightness it is found that there is tightness in the hamstring muscle. So I would suggest for the hamstring stretching along with the calf stretching. So we will lie on our back and by using TheraBand, put your leg up, place the TheraBand on the back of the foot and then simply try to bring your leg toward yourself by keeping the another leg straight. Lying on the ground, you will feel the stretch behind the thighs. Hold this for 30 seconds and then relax. I hope you have liked my video. Do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Stay safe and healthy.